Hey everyone, it's Gail with Life Begins After 50, and guess what? When you're retired, your life is still busier than ever, just like my husband and I. We've been retired, semi-retired for a couple of years now, and every day there's something new. For instance, when we go hiking, we come home at the end of the day and we are pooped, and the last thing this girl feels like doing is cooking. So, Silver and Fit blog to the rescue. I found Silver and Fit a long time ago, and their blog has nutrition information that's incredible and so many quick and easy recipes, and I'm all about quick and easy. This spinach salad with raspberry vinaigrette, chopped up carrots, mushrooms, tomatoes, red onions, and a little bit of walnuts on top. Delicious and nutritious, all from Silver and Fit. So pop on over to their blog because you will be so happy you did.